I'm at Olivia Rodgers. I'm doing my diploma level 3 in patisserie and bakery, and my tutor's Mark Cooper. I decided to return to education because I've previously been doing chefing for the past 10 years, and I think I got to a point where I was just like, I'm not really progressing very much doing the same job role over and over again, and I just wanted to take it a bit further, and I wanted to particularly specialise in the pastry side of things. Well, I've heard a lot about Manchester College and that what they offer on the pastry course is, brilliant. So I decided to do it. I just applied online and that was it. I had help with funding from the college. They've got a bursary team that were very helpful. They helped me work out where I needed to go to get extra funding for the course. And yeah, it was dead easy. I just applied for the funding and that was that. Returning to college as an adult was quite nerve-wracking actually. I didn't really know what to expect, but I think it's the best. I feel like it's the best thing I've ever done. I've had so much fun doing it, and I've met so many lovely friends, and my tutor's been amazing. And yeah, and I just love it. So when I finish my course, I am planning to do a degree and then follow it up with a master's in patisserie. That's a brand new degree that's been set up by my tutor Mark, so that starts in 2022. The thing I like most about the college is the people on the course and obviously my tutor. In a nutshell, the Manchester College means to me opportunity.